Hi, I'm Stuart and I'm the owner of Your Car Haggler, and I want to be your car haggler. I'm a licensed auto broker helping you save time, money, and the aggravation involved when it comes to buying a car and all of the games that come with it. This series is all about auditing car dealerships and the deceptive tactics that they use and how you can avoid them. Let's go. I had a potential client reach out to me who was looking for a Jeep Grand Cherokee L. I started to dive in and I saw that a 2023 had a humongous rebate on it, 15% from MSRP. So I saw that some dealerships were trying to present that 15% as their discount. They weren't giving any additional dealer discount, so of course I moved on from them. I then discovered a dealership advertising a $5,400 discount, and I scrolled to the bottom and I read the disclaimer, and I'm going to read it for you now because it is a beautiful disclaimer. It's the best disclaimer I've ever discovered on a car dealership website. Here we go. Did you think it would change down here? No way. Of course, you know, all of our vehicles do not include tax, title, documentation, or license fees. We have every intention of picturing and pricing with the most accuracy possible, but cannot guarantee both. Occasionally, pricing errors may occur, and upon notification, we will correct such errors. We do our best to ensure our vehicles are available to be seen, but we are not able to hold or take a deposit on any vehicles. Special APR cannot be combined with these great discounts unless previously noted. Special APR generally requires well-qualified buyers. CVR is an optional fee. For a price with special interest rates, please contact our sales team in person, by phone, by email, or by web chat. Wow, that's a phenomenal disclaimer. The fact that they're telling you things aren't going to change are great. The fact that they're telling you they do everything possible to keep pricing errors or the web pictures accurate is great. I was genuinely excited to reach out to this dealership, find out what they have, this car that they're showing this discount on. Can I squeeze a little bit more out? That's my job. Well, after a couple exchanges back and forth with the salesperson, I get this response. We add a $9.95 fee for a 5-year warranty on your interior and exterior services. Are you kidding me? You advertise on your website. We do not play games. It says right here, did you think it would change down here? No way. But we add $9.95 fee. Everybody wants it. They see the value in it. You can see the value in it too. I reply back, we're not interested in this. Let me know if we can do something. Couple more emails go back and forth. I ask to make sure that the miles on the car, because it is a year model old vehicle, have not really gone too crazy. Turns out the vehicle had 8,000 miles on it. 8,000 miles. Was nowhere disclosed on their webpage that this vehicle had miles. In fact, the car picture where it happened to have the odometer in it showed 11 miles. The salesperson did also advise, and this was kind of them to do, that the vehicle is actually in the shop on a lift because they're working on the Quadra lift system. So this entire purchase is never going to happen. How do you avoid this? when you have in writing they don't play games, and then that's literally what they do, there's nothing I could do to help you. But you ask questions along the way. Are there miles on it? Can you do any better on the discount? We don't want your added $9.95. Okay, you're going to force me to pay the $9.95. Well, then take $1,000 extra off of the vehicle. This one just absolutely has blown my mind in terms of bait and switch. I don't even know what to call this one here. Do you think it would change down here? No way. I even sent a picture of that, a screenshot of that, to the salesperson and said, this is awesome. This is so cool. And then it was like the next email where he replied back, it was going to be an additional $9.95. Just wow. I certainly want you to hire me to help you. And what did I wind up saving my client? This dealership wanted to give a $5,400 discount with 8,000 miles on it. I got him $6,500 off of a 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit dealer discount of $6,500 plus the 15% manufacturer rebate on a vehicle that had 12 miles on it. Nobody had ever driven it more than off the lot to get gas, off the truck, things like that. In my opinion, the dealership gets an F, an absolute F. There's no question in my mind. You're going to advertise on your website that things are not going to change. I guess they're right. The things didn't change down here in the disclaimer. They just change when you talk to them. You're still getting an F because you should be advertising somewhere on your website that you're going to be adding this. And I've talked about that before. If you want to advertise that you're going to add some sort of protection package to your vehicle, then do it. Don't magically spring it on somebody after you've initiated contact. In my opinion, the salesperson gets a B-. They did openly inform me that the vehicle was in the shop getting worked on, which in my opinion made it a non-starter. I never would have let my client purchase this vehicle with having an issue at 8,000 miles. I am disappointed that they did not go to bat for us, trying to get more money off of the car or removing their addendum add-on of the ceramic coating paint protection film, which is a whole other video I need to get into. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Stuart and I want to be your car haggler no matter where you live. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, tell your best friend, tell your worst friend. No matter where you live, I can help you beat this dealership so they don't screw you.